Senior NATO official in a closed press meeting said today, "This is the Russian spring offensive. This is what it looks like." He added that Russia lacks the manpower, munitions, maneuver units, and political will to mount anything beyond what we have seen in eastern Ukraine since January. And this is yet another Russian Wagner criminal who came to denazify Ukraine, with red and white bracelets, which stand for HIV and hepatitis. The Russian infantry fighting vehicle during the assault on the positions of the 1st Special Purpose Brigade was blown up by a landmine. Armed forces of Ukraine are using grenade launchers on Russian positions, a very effective weapon for defense against hordes or attackers. This short exchange between Khabarovsk governor Mikhail Degtyaryov and a woman from a village where he was opening a new kindergarten tells you a lot about Russia.
Кому спасибо за это?
Всем.
Нет.
Правительство Хабаровска.
Нет. Президенту России Владимиру Владимировичу Путину за нацпроект.
This is going to become one of my favorite sound bites from any foreign minister. The BBC asked Dmytro Kuleba what was behind the creative diplomacy Ukraine had shown during the war.
Historically, Ukraine was unfairly underappreciated, and I regret it took a bloodshed and a devastating war for the world to realize how cool we are. And we were always cool. But it just took you too much time to realize that.
And a battle video from Ukrainian side in Marinka.
Ебать лупит нахуй. Давай, давай! Круши ее! Давай, давай угол! Наши мужчины дают жару. Горелось нахуй. Там снайпера сидели, вся хуйня. Нихуя себе, он зажег ее. А ну она уже...
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.